Most savvy elevator owners and managers negotiate their elevator contracts to secure the best pricing and service. If you are new to elevator maintenance contract terms, have no fear. At AuditMate, we've compiled a list of helpful tips you can use to ensure you aren't paying too much for your elevator services and to make sure you're getting what you are already paying for. And away we go. Request standard maintenance frequency intervals. Asking for monthly or quarterly visits avoids vague language, and it makes your contract easier to enforce. Request maintenance activity reports. Keeping records of all the work performed on your equipment will help you assess future repair needs, provide technicians with information useful in detecting the root of problems, and ensures that vendors are meeting their contracted service obligations. Review your parts, coverage, testing, and obsolescence terms, so you can be prepared to dispute any vendor charges that don't match your contract terms. Know the hourly repair and callback rates. You'll avoid surprise expenses, and many vendors will even negotiate a lower rate if you ask. And finally, review your callback coverage. Negotiating the hours at which technicians visit your business will save you costly overtime charges. For more information, contact AuditMate today. We speak elevator, but we work for you.